we are on the road again. Our destination is Tafroute. It's a really beautiful place, and from Sidifni to the Tafroute is 3 hours, around 4 hours for us to drive to get there. But before that, we ran out of all food. We ran out of the rice. It is not normally happen, but it happened. So we went to the Tizanit. Tizanit is the big city before the Tafroute, so we went to supermarket. For a long time. It was nice to see the supermarket, so we bought tons of stuff and we filled the gas too. Gas was quite expensive. It was 16.18 dirham. I think it is, I don't know, US dollar. Ooh, it's a bumpy road. So yeah, nowadays gas prices are crazy. Any other countries like Korea too, in Europe too, here too. So anyways, you know, we gotta move our house, so we fill it up, TV is full, so we are gonna head to Tafroute. Tafroute is a really nice place, so we are gonna get there a few hours later. We are gonna show you the place. Alright, let's go!
아, 색경이야. 어떡해. 가자.
About this scenery today because these days is quite hot in Morocco too, so we only camp along the coast. So this is the first time we are going a little bit further inside of the Morocco, and beautiful scenery. We saw the oasis, we saw the green trees, and also we saw the really desert looking. It was amazing. I just like happy to be back on the road. And we passed like a crazy road, like windy and really steep hill, and we are not sure how TV can handle, because since we built the high top, this is the first time to try that the deep. But I'm not a driver, Mark is a driver, so he understands more about the TV, so I'm gonna ask him a little short interview. So Mark, how was the feeling with the TV?
1 second, because we're right in the middle of
a
town, and this guy, I don't know what he's gonna do. So,
how do you feel about like driving TV with a tall version?
You mean up the hill?
Yeah, up the hill.
I felt a slight difference, but those are some pretty steep hills, right?
Oh,
but she had no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's good then.
Yeah, and also.
Oh, and
yeah, it's the mosque.
Pray, yeah.
Also, a lot of people were worried that with the new high top, she might like roll over or something. But to be honest, going around corners, she's much better now. Before we did this high top, we had so much weight on the top of our car because of our roof rack. Every time I took a sharp corner, I could really feel Tubi start to roll on her suspension. But now she feels really tight, like a race car.
아이, 레이스카는 너무 빵이다니.
Not a race car, but she goes around turns a lot better. It's like when we had several really windy days, but we could barely feel it because the weight is lowered down, so she doesn't rock around so much anymore.
그치.
Yeah, so good.
When you travel in Morocco, before the city or end of city, you can see the police checkpoint. It's like quite often. But today's police checkpoint was quite interesting. So when we were around the cities, the police never, like asked us to pull over and wait for it. But today we saw 2 police checkpoints, and then 2 times they pull us over.
Assalamualaikum. Ça va bien.
You can speak French. Speak only English.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Korea.
Korea.
America.
America, USA.
Yeah.
And you?
Korea.
Korea. How are you with your friend?
We're very
How
good.
did you find Morocco?
Oh, beautiful.
Did you enjoy your
Magnifique.
time?
So far, so good.
All is good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, have a nice time. Take care of yourself. Wait a minute, please. Okay, have a nice time.
Okay,
Have a nice
shukran.
And I was kind of worried, like, what did we do wrong this time? Did we speed or what? And actually, police officers were nice, and they're kind of curious about us. And then I think we're the only traveler, I feel like, today. And yeah, we are the only one traveling van on the road today. So they asked like, where are you from? And then welcome to Morocco. How do you feel like Morocco? Are you enjoying it here? And like wish us the safe travel and something like that. That's really, really nice to talk with them. So alright, it's nice, and I'm so glad to be back on the road. I can walk a little bit, and it is good. Okay, we are 27 minutes away from Tafroute, and I forgot to mention like why we're heading to Tafroute, what they have it. Actually, Tafroute is called as Van Valley, sometimes like Van Heaven. The reason why, they have a really huge flat area that you can park there, you can stay, and they sometimes like you go peak season, there's 400 and 500 vans and motorhomes and off-road cars, so you can meet so many different kind of vanlifers. It's a Van Valley. It's amazing. We spent the time 2020 in there, and we really enjoyed our time over there. We met so many travelers, and we saw different cars and different vans. It was interesting, and also they have Tafroute has a little microeconomy built by the vanlifers. So when you go there and park in Tafroute, and there's the guy in the morning called like a bread, and then he's riding a bicycle and they sell the bread. You don't need to go walk to the town to buy a bread. And also the lady came over, and then you can try the Moroccan cuisine, which is harira. It's a really delicious bean soup. It's really nice. And then sometimes like the people come over to have a dirty clothes, we can wash your clothes and bring you back. So that is like how Tafroute build a little economy in there, and we love it. You just park there, you don't need to do that much. You can fix your car right there. Mechanic guy came over and then fix it. That's how we fix our cars, a little there. And then also town itself is really nice. They have a little souk there, fresh vegetable. You can have the fresh kind of fried fish, and it's like just adorable area that we loved it. So I hope today when we get there we meet people and vanlifers, and I'm so excited because 2020 was a really great time in there, and I hope that we can meet the security guard there too. We had a good relationship back then too. So let's get in there, and I think I explained well about the Tafroute, Van Valley, Van Heaven. I'm waiting. Let's get there. 27 minutes later, we are gonna be there. Yay! 벌써?
Yeah.
Oh, something's different.
You can't see anyone.
Oh my god. At least there's a goat, sheep, or goat. Wow. 여기 맞나?
Yeah.
우리밖에 없나?
You can't see one car. Seriously, I can't see one van at all. Remember, all of these spots were just completely.
Oh, here is like a perfect spot. People are parking right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And then huge off-road cars, you know, like you see in the caravans alone, right? Oh my god, we are the only one.
That is crazy.
We are the only
I
one.
mean, I knew there wouldn't be as many people, but I thought there would still be at least
Oh my god.
minimum 20 vans here.
We couldn't find the parking spot here, you know, like, because
we
they
have to all
packed.
the way to the back, so I'm going to the place where we camped.
We park up really far away, but that time all the cars like park, and then we couldn't, you know, like park our car. This area, this kind of, you know, middle point, right?
Yeah.
진짜 우리밖에 없다. 헐.
This is where we camped over here.
Oh.
I can't believe there's not even one car out here.
Like I was kind of cross-fingered that we can have a 10 cars at least, you know, like.
Right over here is where we camped,
Oh.
and right here is where we had like the campfire for.
맞다 맞다. 우리가 끝에 됐고 그 홀란드, 네덜란드에서 온 애들이 이쪽에 됐잖아.
Yeah.
Oh my god, 우리밖에
It's
없.
kind of weird. I don't even know where they park anymore because.
So empty.
Should we see if that water is still available?
Yeah.
Let's check
Yeah.
right now to make sure that the that water station is still there.
Oh, it's quite, you know, like I don't know. I feel like kind of.
All right, I'm gonna go back out and just check to see if the water station is still working.
워터 스테이션 가려면 도시 쪽으로 들어가야 되지 않나?
Yeah, well, it's
Right.
just right up here by the mosque.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's go check it out. How is it?
Like you can see, like that bottle must have stayed for a long time, and you can see that it's like taped down.
Yeah. Okay.
That's not.